It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
YouTube family, everybody, welcome back to the laboratory. Sorry it's been so long, I've missed you guys. Been extremely busy, but in my busyness, some good news. Been coaching a lot. We are the 2022 Skeezer 2A Boys Varsity State Champions of South Carolina. So go Griffins. Yeah, go Griffins. We were able to do a lot of work, hard work, determination, teamwork, make it through the playoffs and solidify ourselves as the South Carolina State Champions. So that gives me a little bit more free time. I'm done with coaching at the high school on the varsity team. So today, I'm trying to take as much time as I can because I thought today was going to be my day for riding and working on the bikes and getting everything fit. But guess what? Wrong. I was wrong. So it is cracking it down early because my daughter has to go to, she's dancing in the SoCon basketball game tournament today, which is Saturday. So we're getting ready to head up there. So I'm trying to get as much footage as I can for you guys while I have a little bit of free time. So today what we're gonna be doing, our first headset, all that, every that stuff's called install because I'm kind of tired. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know how to work this thing, so we're gonna try it out. But I have the top here, the bottom there. So I'm gonna say we do this here. That knocked that out, but that's cool. We'll do that there. And we'll do this here. I think this is right. I don't know. So we're gonna learn today. All right, so the tool did not work out. So I'm gonna save you all the time of watching this and show you guys how I got the job done. It's not about how you do it, it's that you do it. I didn't like the way that was going. So I resorted to old tactics. So let me flip it over. And there we go. So, first headset. And it's on there. It's on the matter, right? Not how we got it on there, but that we got it on there. So forget this tool for right now because this guy doesn't know how to use it yet. So not gonna worry about it. It's too early in the morning. And it's not cold. Well, it's cool. You don't have no coat or hat. So we'll get that done. All right. There we have it, y'all. Changing your headset. Best thing to do. Bearings. Already greased. All right, everybody. Appreciate all your likes, subscribing, comments, sharing, being a friend, telling a friend. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed, not too stressed. Peace. Deuces. I'm out.